going to have a memorial for Nathan Kaminsky, who's been attending this event for 20 years. His grandparents, Hank and Carolyn Kaminsky, who attended for over 30 years, also have a final resting place here. Nathan was loved by all who knew him, and he will be missed. His ashes will be fired out of the cannon momentarily in honor of him. And he will be resting here permanently with other family members. May you rest in peace, Nathan Kaminsky. All right, you shooters with suppressed weapons, let's go and bring them up here to the firing line. Suppressed weapons only. You got about 5 minutes. If you don't participate for 5 minutes, we're going to stop and go up as normal. So, suppressed weapons, everybody with suppressed weapons, come on up to the firing line. Go ahead and lock and load your weapons. Suppressed weapons only. All right, firing line security, are we ready on the right? Suppressed weapons only. Ready on the left? Suppressed weapons only. Fire line's hot, suppressed weapons only.
Came out way bigger than